Just a couple of tips to help you with your elevational taking off. On this particular one here, you can see I've got some recesses in the elevations, and the way I deal with those quickly is I will go into the ground floor plan and I'll grab that dimension for that return. Back to my elevation, superimpose a dim and add the return, effectively drawing it in place. And it's the same on the other side, so I can just grab hold of that, holding control, paste it on the other side. And likewise here, as I'm doing this elevationally, there's obviously on this flank there's a little bit of block work behind that parapet, so if you do it sectionally you won't leave anything behind. It kind of overlaps. I hope that helps.